Kettlebell RDL. So set up on this, we're gonna go to about hip width apart with the feet, okay? Feet are gonna stay flat this entire time, okay? So we're gonna be heavy on the feet, so they're almost kind of like sinking into the floor, melted to the floor. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna push the butt back, up towards the ceiling as we reach back to the kettlebell. Feel a huge stretch through my hamstrings right here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come up, finish tall, squeeze the butt at the top, and then I go back into my next rep. Be careful that when you do this, you're not changing height with your hips. You notice like my butt's much lower than it was before. I push my butt up, I feel a lot more hamstrings, okay? So if you don't feel your hamstrings working on this exercise, make sure, just give you that cue of butt up, and you should feel a huge stretch. Come up, finish tall, okay? If you start to feel your low back on this one, inhale. And when you inhale, you should feel some pressure, some tension here in your abs. When you inhale, then push your butt back and up towards the ceiling. And then you can exhale on the way up. There's many different ways you can exhale. The way I just showed you isn't necessarily the way I would recommend it. I really wasn't thinking that through. But when you come up, it's more of a sharp exhale, which is gonna coordinate more so that you're more on length with like showcasing strength rather than just exhaling for the sake of exhaling. Okay?